Hey Neil, this is Gabriel, creator of FAQNation, and this is a small overview to see how FAQNation really works. And if you use the login information it provided to you, you'll see on the first step your database area. On the left side, we have this navigation space, which allow you to jump into your other database, and you can of course adapt the ranking, rename it, or remove it. Of a new project space, you can create your database for your new project. And you can, of course, use your icon or use a predefined icon. I create a new project for AppSumo seller and want to generate it with an AI. And I write down what sort of FAQs for AppSumo Sumo seller which want sell something on AppSumo. Okay, have no idea how it works. Just write down some default stuff, and once it gets generated, you will see that it generate questions, some tags which make search engine much more powerful, and of course the answers. I will say in most cases it's not perfect, but you have a very cool blueprint, like how does it approve process work resulting on AppSumo, and you will see this answer, and that actually works very nice. You can easily jump between different questions, or you can place it on the center to focusing on your current question. That's the better choice, I think so, if you want to modify it. You can publish it directly over this slider, or you can do it inside of the record. Of course, you can remove it. You can change categories. Just want some categories, what you will see on the navigation bar. For example, you can set up as function. Another one, maybe account. You can easily switch it without opening. You can, of course, and then you can select it. Let's jump into the AppSumo project, which I modify a little bit better. What we see here is a counter, so you can see how many users already see this question. And the cool thing is we have here a preview button, and you can see how the FAQ page will be looks like. And here we have these categories what we create right now. That here in general just see questions which are related with this topic. You can of course set up your own links. So you can open it as a Sumo page, and you can set up also here your own links. Of course, it works also with mobile device, so it's perfect sites for each device. And here you have the inbox. Here comes all questions which the user get asked. If you open the page, you can see we have here write a question, and if the user go directly there and start typing something like how much do you really see it, that it generated automatically the questions which are in the index. So we provide over this process that the user don't set a question. In best case, it get answered before this question get asked. And best feature is it does not just searching for title, but also this tags, and with AI you can generate also other tags. So you can create it of course by yourself, but AI helps you a lot to be more productive. Can create of course new records, new questions, but the most interesting thing is, I think so, you can start typing something on search bar, view. So, okay, it's a stupid question, but let's use it. You can use this button to create a new question and it take all this content. But a better way, I think so, is using AI, and AI give a reply based on the input you already have in the system. So if you just have maybe 10 questions in the quality, of course not very good, but as more content you have, as better get the quality. And of course you can modify it, can change the style. But what I'm more interesting is, I think so, you can of course add a question and write an answer. But what is more interesting is you can set up also some image, for example, you can upload from your desk and host it directly, or you can also embed some code. So it's very cool if you want write down a documentary. It helps for use admins or for developer a lot. And what are also possible is to set up you embedded code, which means you can embed, for example, YouTube video or any other tool you want and individually use any individualization also for user if you want. So there I have a few possibility which are open. Okay, and over the settings you have a bundle of options. You have can of course disable this topic search and ask question. So also to get open it, you see this questions. You have a lot of possibilities to modify it how you need it, and it can get sorted by most viewed, newest, oldest, so the results. And of course, you can customize your style, you can change your logo, your font colors, so your text. And we have also metadata, which helpful for SEO to get ranked. And you can make it publish, in this case, get all questions searchable by search engine. And you can, of course, set your own links and modify it, change position. And notification very cool because generally you get if it is on directly question over email, and then you can reply directly and open directly the record of the question which get asked. Or you can also set a timer, like, and for example, set it daily. You receive between 20 hours nothing, and you get all it asked. So you can focus it on your project, so you don't receive each time email whenever you make your questions. And what are cool is that you can embed it on your website. What are possible is this widget, which looks like, let's open this one, which looks like this one. So you create here this icon and you can open it and you can interact and have also categories, and it get adapted on the URL style, font style you have. You see right now it takes the default HTML style, but you can modify it to make it adapted as your style that you use it. And the other alternatives to embed it on your website is this one, and it looks like this. So it get embedded directly on your site. And of course, you can adapt your font so that it get adapted like your default style of your page. And we have also APIs, default, or each time you use to create a new project, get for free 1000 API calls. And if the user need more, can buy it. It's like a credit. So yeah, that's an option. And of course, it can import or export projects. What also possible is not just to have dump list, but you can also set some filters. For example, you will see most important questions like from 5 views or more, or from a specific category, and just someone which are online, and so you can adapt as you need it and make the interaction maybe a little bit more smarter. So I think so. This is a very cool tool for your each AppSumo user, for business user to integrate FAQs on the own page and interact it and make this action. Because in the past, if you have a question, you're forced to use an email or contact form, and the admin, which received this question, um, make can make maybe an answer, but I think so in most cases you don't take the time to use this question to add it on a most asked question board because it's in most cases static, and with AI it gets much faster. So I think that's a very cool interaction which user get with this tool, and I think so with AppSumo, we create a very cool deal for user. So if you have any questions or if something are not clear or if you have any feedback, let me know it. Thank you.